Hi students, good day. This is Umar. You are watching my YouTube channel Maths with Umar. So in this session, we are going to see the second part of ratio and proportions, revision for grade 6. Fine. So before going to the next questions, so let me explain you what the concept of proportion. See, suppose for example, let me take an example. Ravi and Raj. They went to a pizza showroom, restaurant, and Ravi had ate six pieces of pizza, and Raj had taken three parts. Okay, so if I want to write the ratio of Ravi and Raj, how will I write? So this is Ravi to Raj equals 6 is to 3. So since I know that there is a common factor, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So this can be written as 2 is to 1. Is it right? This is a situation. And let us go for the next situation. In the next situation, let us take Gauri and Gaurish. Okay, so these two are okay. In the final examinations, these two got marks. Okay, so Gauri got, so for example, 96 marks, and let us say that Gaurish got 48 marks. Okay, 48 marks. So somebody asked you, what is the ratio of Gauri to Gaurish? Okay, Gauri to Gaurish. So it is 98 is to 48 marks. And when we see that 48 is common in both two, so 48 one times and 48 twos are 96. So this can be written as 2 is to 1. See, in the first situation, Ravi and Raj, these are here in this situation we are talking about pizza. Okay, and in the second situation, we were talking about marks of the students. But let us go through the final. If we represent them in ratios, what is the ratio? 2 is to 1 and 2 is to 1. So both ratios are equal. So this we call it as the two situations are in proportion. So that means 6 pizza parts is to 3 pizza parts. So pizza parts are in proportion with what? 98 marks is to, 96 parts is to 48 marks. Is it right? So how will we write mathematically? We write mathematically as 6 is to 3 is in proportion. What is the this one symbol for proportion? It is combined two ratios. Okay, proportion 96 is to 48. So this we call it as proportion. If two ratios are equal, so then we tell that the two ratios are in equal proportion, are in proportion. Sorry. So now here one more thing, one more concept. So see, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are there. So yes, 4 terms are there. So these two terms are called as extremes, and these two are called as means. Okay, so these are extremes and means. Yeah, these are the concepts regarding proportion. Now let us go to our questions. Yes, come back. Determine if the following ratios form a proportion or not. Okay, let us do. So first what we are supposed to do, we have to find out the ratio of this. 20 centimeters is to 1 meter. Just let us do it here. So 20 centimeters is to 1 meter is equal to how much? 100 centimeters. And let us check whether the next one is in proportion or not. What is it actually? 3.5 liters. So 3.5 is to 17.5. Okay. Now let us see. If we let us see the simplest form, tens and tens cancel, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So this is 1 is to 5. And let us find out whether 3.5 is 5 times or not. Into 5, 5 fives are 25 and the 3 fives are 15 plus 2 17. So it is 75. So 3.5 1 times and this is 5 times. So this is 1 is to 5. So since both ratios are equal, these are in proportion. Yes, this is in proportion. Find simple. Find the simplest form of the ratio, and then you will understand whether it is proportion or not. See, 2 kg to 80 kg. 2 is to 80. Both are in kgs. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 40 times. So it weighs 1 is to 40. And what is the second one? 25 grams is to 625 grams. Both are in grams. So 25 ones are 25 and 25 in 625 it is 25 times. So it is 1 is to 25. Are they equal? So no, they are not equal. So therefore they are not in proportion. Next, 200 ml is to 2.5 liters. So let us do it. I am changing the color so that you don't get confused. So it is 200 is to 2500 ml. Okay, so here hundreds and hundreds get cancelled. It is 2 is to 25. Okay, let us see the next one. 4 rupees and 50 rupees. So both are in rupees. Let us find out. 4 is to 50. 2 2 is a 4, 2 25. So this is 2 is to 25, 2 is to 25. Both are equal. So therefore, the third one is in proportion. Now let us go to the last one. 440 meters and 2 kilometers. So let me explain. Let me take a light blue color. Okay, 440 meters is to 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers is nothing but 2000 meters. Let us divide. Tens and tens gets divided, and 2 in 44 22 times, and 2 in 200 100 times. And here also 2, it is 11 times is to in 150 times. So it is 11 is to 50. Let us see the next one. So what is the next one? I'm doing with dark blue. Okay, 55 centimeters is to 3 meters. Say in 1 meter, how many centimeters are there? 100. So at 3 meters means 300 centimeters. Let us check. 11 is not divisible. So let us go with 11 is not divisible, sorry. 5 11s are 55 is to 5 6 are 30 and 0. It is 11 is to 60. So these two are not equal. So therefore, these two are not in a proportion. So I hope you got what is proportion and how to check the proportion. Please practice. Until you practice, you will not understand the concept of proportions. Let us go. A worker is paid 560 for 5 days. What should be paid to the worker for 28 days? Oh, this is unitary method. See, first find out for 1 day and then multiply it for 28 days. Unitary method is very simple. Find whatever he is asking for one for 1 day or for 1 unit, okay, and then go for the maximum number whatever he is asking. So let us go. So worker is paid rupees 560 for 5 days. So let us see. What is the amount is paid? 560. And amount paid for 5 days. For 5 days is equal to rupees 560. Let us take it as rupees. Now, what will be the amount for 1 day? Say here 5 days 560. For 1 day, you have to divide 560 divided by 5. And if I divide 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, and one remainder 10 in 10 two times. So for 1 day, it is 112 rupees. So what should be paid to the worker for 28 days? So it's very simple, right? For 28 days, what you are supposed to do? For 1 day, it is 112. For more days, you have to multiply. So therefore, amount for 28 days is equal to 112 multiplied by 28. So let us do it here. Sorry, where is that gone? Yeah, 112 multiplied by 28. 8 twos are 16, 8 ones are 8 plus 1 9, 8 ones are 8. So now 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. Okay, black you cannot write it, I think so. 2, 2 ones are 2. So let us add, it is 6, 9 plus 4 it is 13, 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11, and 3. So how much we have to pay? We have to pay rupees 3,136 rupees. So unitary method, it is very simple. You find out the cost for 1 unit, and then you find out the cost for whatever is required. See here one thing, it is very simple. If you are finding for one quantity, you have to divide, and if you are finding for more quantities, you have to multiply. You remember this, okay? Now, yes, shall I go? Yes, let us go for the next problem, and give me 1 minute to rub it. Now, a family of 4 members consumes 6 kg of sugar in a month. So that means in 1 month. What will be the monthly consumption of sugar if the number of family members become 6? It's very simple. It is the time period is only 1 month. Time period has not changed. So it is a basic problem. Uh, for 4 members, you need 6 kg. So for he's asking for 6 members. So what you are supposed to do? For 4 members, it is 6 kg. So find out for 1 member. Understood? In order to find out for one member means it is quantity is getting less. So what we are supposed to do? We have to divide. So this 6 kg divided by 4. Okay, you will get for one member. So now when you get for one member, automatically you can find it out for 6 members. What to do? Multiply. So now let us see. So amount of sugar consumed by 4 members is equal to 6 kg, right? What will be the next step? Amount of sugar consumed by one member. What you are supposed to do? One member is equal to 6 divided by 4. And let us divide 6 with 4. 4 ones are 4. And remainder it is 2. 2 cannot be divided. So put 0 point, and 24 fives are 20. Okay, if you don't know the division of decimals, you can at least think. Okay, logical thinking. 6 kg divided by 4. If we divide, everyone will get 1 kg, and remaining 2 kgs, if we have to divide into 4, it is half kg. So every member will get 1.5 kg. Okay, so after getting this, Now can you find out the amount of sugar needed for 6 members? Because members are increasing, what you are, so therefore what you are supposed to do? We have to multiply amount of sugar consumed for 6 members. 6 members is equal to 1.5 multiplied by 6. The same concept, if we don't know how to multiply with decimals, just here 1 kg into 6, it is 6 kg, and half kg into 6, half into 6, how much? Half kg, half kg, half kg, half kg, it is 3 kg. So then add, it is 9 kg is the answer. Got it, my dear students? Very simple. Okay, let us go for the remaining one. A car travels 165 kilometers in 3 hours. A car travels how much? 165 kilometers in 3 hours. So how long will it take to travel 440 kilometers? Very simple, but let us do it. See, 165 kilometers in 3 hours. Okay. So distance traveled, let us write now, sorry, yeah, 165 kilometers in 3 hours. So let us take how many hours he travels in 1 hour. 1 hour, how much? So how much, what to do? What did I tell you? If you want, you have to divide. So 165 divided by 3. So 165 divided by 3 is how much? 3 5s 15, 5. Yes. So in 1 hour, he is going to travel how many kilometers? 55 kilometers. Now let us find out how much time he takes for 440 kilometers. What you are supposed to do? 440 divided by 55. Is it right? So let us do it. 11 5s are 55, 11 4s are 44 and 0. So it becomes 40 divided by 5. And here also division, it is very simple. 5 ones are 5, 5 8s are 40. So that is equal to, it takes 8 hours. Understood, my dear students? So how far it will travel in 7 hours? See, in 1 hour, how much? 55 kilometers. So in 7 hours, that is equal to 7 multiplied by 55. I think it is 385 kilometers when you multiply. Got it? Simple. So now let us do it. 15 boys can type 270 pages in a day. Okay, 15 can type it in 270 pages. How many pages will 36 boys can type a day? Okay, let us use unitary method. Okay, what is unitary method? Let us do it. So 15 boys can type 270 pages. So what is one boy can type? One boy is equal to 270 pages divided by 15. So how much? 15 ones are 15. Let us see whether it divides or not. Here also 15 ones and 120. In 120, I think it is 8 times. So one boy can type how many pages? 18 pages. So now you got 18. So now 36 boys can type how much? 36 times 18. That is equal to, yeah, multiply. 8 6 are 48. Let us do division of, sorry, multiplication of 18. 18 table. 18 6 are how much? It is 108, right? So let us write 108 and 8. Let us bring it down. So now 18 threes are 54. 54 plus 10, it is 64. So how many pages if they can type? 648 pages. I hope you got it right. So So with this, let us complete part 2